So how we will fetch the data from database and get it visible to our JSP page. So mainly these are the 4 steps. How to first we have to make a JSP page, then we have to make our database which will store all the information. Then we have to make another JSP page on which the data will be execute. All the request example, the name will come and we will get it from here and all that. So how it will do look like? See, first we will make our JSP page. Suppose this will be our first page. This will be our first page. This will be our first page. This will be our second JSP page on which the request will be come from first page. Then the request will give to the database, and after database, then it will come back to the first page and it will display the images. So first we will create our JSP page. So for creating JSP page, let's use VS Code and copy paste it to the JSP page. So open the VS Code and simply cut this. So these are the bootstrap links, paste here. Both links are necessary. So we want our JSP page to look like something in a card format. So we will go to the bootstrap site. So this is the bootstrap site. So we want our page. So we will search for cards here, cards, and we want our JSP page to look like this. So we will copy this card, copy, and we will come and we will paste here. Now we will run this page. So as you can see this, our card will look like this. So let's add an image here. Let's add an image here. Image. So come and let's see our JSP page. So it will look something like this. So what we have to do is we have to fetch our product name here, product description, and price here. So for that, what we have to do is we have to copy this code and we have to paste it in our JSP page. So make a JSP page. So cut this all and come and paste it here. So I have pasted it here, and now what we have to do is we have to make a connection here. So we have to make a connection so that the data will go to JSP page. What simply I will copy the connection from my previous page. Copy the connection from my previous page. Here we will fetch the data from our database. So what is this error? I have not imported my SQL file at the rate page at the rate percent at the rate page import java.SQL sql.star. As you can see, all the errors has been got. Now close this. Now all the error has been gone. So next what we have to do is we have to make our database. So I have already made this database with p name, p type, p description, p image, p id, and p price. So you have also to make this database. So I'm not going to try to tell you how to make this. I think you already know how to make the database. So we will simply come here. We will select the star from our eCart products. All the product items which will available in my particular products, we will select simply there. And next we will run a while loop. It will run until the data is present in my database. So next what we have to do is we have to get our PID. So getting our PID, we have to make a string variable name PID and rs.getString PID. This PID indicates the database PID. This PID, the name that will present in our database will fetch and get stored in this PID. And same for name, pname, the pname will store in pname and all this. Now see, this loop is not closing here. It will close where my div tag is closing. Suppose it is closing, div tag is closing here. So my loop will also close here. And how it will close? By using script-like tags. So this is my script-like tags. Now here my loop will be closed. See, here this loop will be closed, as you can see like this. Uh, as you can see like this is closing here. Now what we will just save is first I will run this page. So come to the browser. Come to the browser, and what we have to do is we have to run our JSP page. So my JSP page name is code testing 1. So let's again run this page. So you can see there are 4 databases that are present in my table. So that's why this is 4 are coming. Now what we have to do is we have to want that our product name should be come from our database from here. Let's see our data. What is present? Now we want that our product name iPhone and our product description, this description, and our product ID I988. This ID should be get printed here, and we don't want that similar product to be rendering here. So for that, what we have to do is, as you can see, we have get the name PID here, database, and stored in the local variable string. And also this loop, while loop, remember, it's closing here. Everything is easy in this until you understand this while loop. So this is our product name. So here we want our product name. So we want our P name. So we will use script like tags and come here and we will use declaration tag P name and we will save it. Now let's go to our page and refresh it. Now you can see HP 14, we are up 14 and iPhone. As you can see, my product name has been changed. Now what we have to do is we have to change this price. So for that price, we will look where is the price. See, here is the written price. So my price is coming in P price from database P price. See this one, this green text written here is the name that is coming from database, and this name and our database name should be same. See, this name and this name, our database should be same. This can be varies, this all can be varies, but this name should be same because this name rs.getString, we are getting this from our database where PID is. So all this all will be same as your database name. So now as you can see, we will get our price. So we will delete here price. We will use script like tax, and we will use here P price. Now we will press enter. Now we will go to our browser. This not this one. We will go to our browser and refresh this page. Now as you can see, price has been came 999 and 5600. And so simply this was our project to fetch the data. Thank you.